Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am on my way to the Harley Davidson dealership because I want a giveaway. So I'm going to go ahead and roll the intro and then we'll talk about it. Alright guys, so like I just said, we actually won a giveaway from Harley Davidson and I won a gift card from it. So we are going to go and see what we can pick up. I'm actually in need for some new gloves. So I might look to see on getting a new pair of those. These are fine ish. I bought them on Amazon for pretty cheap and the knuckles snapped on me. So I ended up cutting myself actually on my right hand. My knuckles got cut up a little bit when it broke. But you know, according to the comments, people obviously hate when I don't wear gear because it bothers them very much that my safety is their concern. So yeah, I'm gonna go and look for some new gloves. I'm gonna meet up with my buddy there, maybe test ride some new bikes. That would be cool. So the giveaway we actually won was the Harley Davidson gift of riding giveaway. It was at the end of basically the last quarter of 2020. And what it was that we had to submit a picture of our bike that we liked the most and hashtag Harley Davidson and some of the other giveaway like hashtags that were required. I don't remember what they were, gift of riding and giveaway and stuff like that. And tag a buddy of ours that doesn't know how to ride or would like to learn how to ride. And so I tagged my coworker and my other buddy who has the R3. He did the same thing and he tagged our boss, and both of us won. And so what that entailed was me and my buddy, we both won, both of us that won, we got a $100 gift card. And then the buddy that we tagged that doesn't know how to ride, they get a $250 gift card, I believe. If not, it was $200. And a free certificate to take the Harley Davidson riding course. So that's really cool. Both my boss and my coworker are going to be taking the course. I think they're going to try to take it together, and they're both going to learn how to ride. So more riders on the road, more buddies to ride with. And I think that was the whole the point of the giveaway, was to get more people out there, obviously promote Harley Davidson, and it worked. I'm thankful that we both won, and my coworker and my boss are super excited to learn. But so going with that, I won a $100 gift card for Harley Davidson. We're gonna go see what we can buy, and yeah. So that's all I got for you guys today. Just wanted to share that update with y'all that I won a gift card. Thought it was cool news. I thought it was cool to win something from Harley Davidson. Actually get a DM from them saying, hey, you won the giveaway. That was cool. But alright guys, I'll go ahead and let y'all go. If y'all like the video, go ahead and like, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. So y'all have a good one, alright?